Guess who we got here today?
Gravedigger.
Who we got? Which one is it?
Very nice.
Fire and Ice Gravedigger. And what are we gonna play? Tag with Gravedigger. Then we got Avenger. And who's that?
Megalodon.
Who's that?
Megalodon.
Megalodon. Let's. Whoa, Gravedigger in between.
Mom, I have something to show you.
What are you gonna show?
Two things actually.
Okay. What? Look at you go. How cool, dude.
Now I have two more things.
Two more? Let me see. Is that the monkey bars?
Yeah. So,
Let's see. One. Oh. Okay, so we're not doing the monkey bars because your hands hurt?
No, my hands are slippery.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so next one
What is that?
is
Okay.
something goes.
What is it? Okay. I see your feet. Going, going, going. There's you. Okay, woo. Climb through.
Is it?
What is it?
Look, I'm gonna come down this pole.
Okay. Ready? What? Good job.
Fun.
Which
I
one?
love them.
Which one are you gonna be?
I wanna.
I want to play.
Not now.
Where's this guy? We got someone coming down here. I just knocked my head.
Oh, the Gravedigger go. Oh, he landed.
Gravedigger landed. Vroom, 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 vroom. Okay, let's have a race against these guys and Gravedigger
To go down the slide.
to go down the slide. First, we're gonna do Megalodon and Gravedigger. Oh, you're gonna go that way? Okay, let's see who makes it up highest.
I can't.
Ooh. Oh, what? He made it the lowest because he's on the floor.
No.
Yeah, see? He's on the floor over there. He made it the lowest.
No, one more time.
Okay, who? Okay, he made it the furthest. Let's see. Megalodon now we got him going up and we got Megalodon. So let's see, ready? Ready? Whoa! Oh, wait, let's see. Oh,
We both stuck it.
you guys both got on top, right? But you went further.
Yeah.
Okay, so who goes down faster? Why don't you do Megalodon? And, hold on.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go.
Whoa!
Tie.
The tie? Okay, so we have Gravedigger here.
No, it was
Megalodon.
Megalodon.
You think it was him first?
Yeah,
It was Megalodon? Who do you think went first?
You passed me those 2 ones.
Can you pass him?
That's how we rematched. That was a tie.
Okay, so let me get these up here. Ready? Oh, let's give those to you.
Mom.
Okay, ready?
So now, 3, 2, 1, go. Gravedigger.
Gravedigger, he went further.
Yeah, but he went down the slide.
He went down the slide first, huh? Okay. Why don't we do all 3 now together? Okay, ready? And push all 3. Set, go.
Gravedigger.
Oh, Avenger is the furthest though.
It's who goes on the slide first.
There you go. Okay, so it was Gravedigger. What else can they do?
This curly slide.
Curly slide. Put them up here.
Alright, first let's take this out the track with Avenger.
Okay. Oh!
Land.
He landed. Oh, upside down. Okay. Ready?
Now it's happening. Inside versus outside. 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go.
You did?
Yeah.
You did? Okay, then it's Gravedigger.
Megalodon goes on the inside. Gravedigger goes on the outside. Mom, you're doing it wrong. It's the opposite.
Okay, ready?
Wait, I'll go down. Yes.
Set, go.
Gravedigger. Megalodon didn't even go down slide.
Let's check this out. Dude, he didn't go down the slide. What is up with Megalodon? Why does he keep losing today? He's like the sore loser. And like Gravedigger is the biggest winner today. Right?
Yeah.
Biggest winner.
Now should we do it?
What else do we do?
Oh, down the bumpy slide right there. Hi, go.
Which one is it?
So, I'll say Avengers first. Megalodon's last, Gravedigger second.
Who's going next? Again. So who do you think is gonna win? Let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Gravedigger.
Gravedigger?
Yeah.
I don't really know if it's Gravedigger or winning, but that's okay. Okay, so let's do the bumpy things. Ready? So we got Megalodon coming down right now. Whoa! He did it. He doesn't.
3. It's Avengers. 3, 2, 1, go. Avenger does 10 times better.
Okay.
Now it's time for Gravedigger. 3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Megalodon took first.
Megalodon took first, didn't he? We got Megalodon right there.
Took last.
Avenger and Gravedigger's last.
No, Gravedigger should be first.
He what?
First.
Should be first?